Exciting process. It's Representative Turzai said we get the opportunity to start the new calendar on the first day of the year, and I'm really looking forward to it. It's the first time I've ever been to the House floor, so it's really exciting. Overwhelming at first, but attention to detail. I haven't been through the Capitol since I was a little kid, and to be here and go through the whole spiel and be a part of the House of Representatives is just amazing. I think it's real now. There's a lot of issues we're talking about, and that includes pension, that includes infrastructure, and things have been kicked down the road for a lot of years, and now I think it's upon us. I think there's some exciting things are going to happen here in the next couple of years, and we're going to see it right off the get-go in this session. It's going to be a big challenge for everybody going back to last year and the cuts to education. We've got to find a way to fund infrastructure and roads and bridges along with education, and we have a lot of money goes to welfare, and we've got to find a way to find our spending priorities and get them in place to move the state forward. It's going to be a big issue this year.